Hi, friends. Who's excited to start getting ready for a fun day at school? Let's get ready. Pack your backpack with pencils, books, and don't forget your lunch. Now you have everything you need. Let's get ready for school. First, put on your shirt and pants, jacket, socks, and shoes, or your school uniform. Then brush your teeth for 2 minutes to keep them shiny and clean. Now you're all set. Don't forget to eat a healthy breakfast, like fruits, cereal, yogurt, and milk. It gives you the energy to play, learn, and have fun all day long. There are so many fun ways to get to school. You can walk with your parents, ride your bike, take the school bus, or even get a ride in the car. Which way sounds like the most fun to you? In class, listen to your teacher. Raise your hand to ask questions and participate in activities. Have fun and enjoy learning new things every day. School is also a great place to make new friends. Be kind and have fun. Making friends is part of the adventure. I hope you have a great day at school. See you next time on Tickle Time TV. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Bye-bye.